Alright heroes, we are back and we did it, man. We finally got the Subaru Wrx Sti in World Rally Blue, man. My favorite color. Like I said, been waiting for this. I know you guys have been waiting for this. We've had a WRX for almost 3.5 years now, but now we finally upgraded to the STI, and I have a whole bunch of plans. The Varus wide body kit, big massive build, big massive plans for this car. And like I said, y'all, this is gonna be the community build. But oh my gosh, man, I'm just so happy, man. Like, it's all because of you guys. It's all because of all the support and the love that you guys have been showing me on this channel for me to be able to even get this car. It's just so crazy for me to go from a base C6 Corvette and a base Subaru WRX to now having a C7 Z07 Sti track, and now to have a brand new 2021 Subaru Wrx Sti. This car had 7 miles on it. This is brand new, not used. Wasn't sitting in a dealership for a while. We ordered and custom ordered this car to our specific liking. Y'all, like I said, I'm just so blessed, y'all. I already have mods that already have come in for the car. I'm gonna go over exactly the specifications that came on the car when I got it, because like I said, this is brand new. This is a brand new 2021 Subaru Wrx Sti that I ordered, fully custom built the way that I wanted to. So I'm gonna go over the next video and talk about exactly what came with this car, what mods I already have on this car, and overall the community build that we're gonna be doing for the Subaru Wrx Sti. Oh my gosh, man, I know you guys might have seen me from, you know, the top 10 mod video from my Subaru back in the day, or the worst car wrap video, or the best car wrap video, or just any of my videos. You know, I just want to say I really truly appreciate all of you guys. We are so close to almost being at 17,000 subscribers, guys. So if you guys haven't subscribed already yet, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. And a lot of you guys are telling me that you do miss some of my videos. Hit the notification bell. Sometimes the videos will not notify you that they're uploaded, so make sure you hit that bell on the channel and hit that subscribe button, so that way you guys stay up to date with everything that's going on this Subaru Wrx Sti, guys. We did it. We are here and we got a brand new car and build that we're gonna do. We have so many videos lined up. I'm gonna do a comparison. We have so many videos. I have so many videos just lined up for you guys, from all installs, mods, reviews, comparisons, just first impressions, just everything. There's so much content that we have coming for this Subaru. And like I said, guys, this is going to be the main staple car on the channel. That's right, we are not gonna be selling this car. I'm not gonna be giving this car away. I'm not gonna be building it and never driving it. This is going to be the permanent car. This with my Corvette are two permanent staples I want to have for this channel. I always want to make sure I have the Subaru and the Corvette, because you guys have followed me, you guys have supported me, you guys have helped build me to be where I am. So I am not going to turn my back on the Subaru community or the Corvette community. I'm always going to make sure I have a Subaru or a Corvette on my channel to show my appreciation to all of you guys for supporting. And because of that support, like I said, this build is gonna be a build that we all are gonna be a part of, and we're all gonna have a hand in. And I am just so excited for what is next to come, guys. Like, oh my gosh, like, in a year's time, I was able to work hard and be in a position to where I could get both of my dream cars and build them for the world to see and for all of you guys to see. And I have all of you to thank for it, and all of your support in every video, every minute, every like, every comment, every time you guys have supported me. I want to make sure I give that back and support you guys. So I hope you guys liked the video. Hit the like button if you guys liked the video. Hit the subscribe button like I was saying before. And oh my gosh, we did it, man. I'm trying to be like super not loud. I'm in the neighborhood right now, so I'm trying to like tone it down, but man, I'm just so excited, and I have all of you guys, and hopefully you guys are excited with me, and hopefully that you guys feel that this is our Subaru together, and we're gonna do this for each other, guys. Everyone have a blessed day, have a great day. Remember, y'all, be your own hero, because we all have the power to be heroes, and the world needs more heroes, and you can do it, guys. You can always do it. Go after your dreams. Make sure you guys do everything that you can to make sure you guys can accomplish and be the person and have everything that you want, because in life you can do it. You can do it. You can go after it, and you can make it, and you can take it, and you can have it, guys. Have a blessed day. Let's get it. Peace.
took so many years, I'm just waiting for the wins. I'm in debt to no one but the one who took my sins. I do it for real, there's no reason to pretend. If I do it once, I do it again. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me, oh you matter what. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me, oh you matter what. Add it up. Told her if it's all me, everything is on me, gon' back it up. Matter what. Told ya I'ma do me, why you hating on me? It's not adding up. I do roll like a Mack truck, country heart, I might cop a farm and go act up. Lot of scars, I was cold-hearted, now I'm back up. Keep it real, I do this once a month, I don't rap much. I just take the money and go stack up. Only buying car till you tatted up. All that other bull, it don't matter much. You only climb me, I put the ladders up. No fault, I done double.